Hi guys, it's me, and today we're taking a fresh look at a monitor that focuses on practicality, stability, and real-world usability. This is the L6017TM 17-inch LED monitor, built with a 1280 by 1024 resolution, an 800:1 contrast ratio, 30 millisecond response time, and a versatile set of inputs including VGA, DVI, and DisplayPort. It also includes integrated 20-watt speakers, making it a complete and efficient solution for professional environments. At first glance, the 17-inch size might seem modest, but this display is designed for efficiency rather than entertainment. The 5:4 aspect ratio is especially useful for tasks that require more vertical space. Documents, spreadsheets, invoices, system logs, and control panels feel more balanced and readable compared to widescreen formats. This makes it an excellent choice for offices, retail counters, reception desks, and administrative workstations where accuracy and clarity matter most. The LED panel delivers consistent brightness and dependable color performance. Text appears clean and sharp, icons are well-defined, and the overall viewing experience remains comfortable during long working hours. This monitor is built for extended daily use, which means less eye strain and more focus on productivity. It's the kind of display that supports your workflow instead of distracting from it. With an 800:1 contrast ratio, the screen maintains solid visibility in typical indoor lighting. Whites remain bright without looking harsh, while darker areas stay controlled and readable. This balance helps when working with detailed interfaces or multiple windows at once. For professional tasks, this level of contrast is more than sufficient and contributes to a smoother viewing experience throughout the day. The 30 millisecond response time highlights the monitor's intended purpose. This is not a display aimed at fast-paced gaming or high-refresh visuals. Instead, it's optimized for static content, office applications, presentations, training materials, and monitoring systems. Motion handling is stable for everyday use, which is exactly what most business and commercial users need. Connectivity is one of the strongest advantages of the L6017TM. VGA support allows it to work seamlessly with older systems. DVI provides reliable digital output, and DisplayPort ensures compatibility with modern computers. This flexibility makes the monitor easy to integrate into mixed hardware environments without extra adapters or upgrades. For businesses that rely on long-term hardware cycles, this is a major benefit. The built-in 20-watt speakers add extra convenience. They're suitable for system sounds, notification alerts, video playback, and basic audio needs. This reduces the need for external speakers, helping keep desks clean and organized. In shared workspaces or POS setups, having audio built directly into the monitor is a practical advantage. Design-wise, the monitor keeps things simple and professional. The compact footprint fits easily on smaller desks, counters, or multi-display setups. The stand feels stable, and the overall construction supports consistent use over time. It's clearly designed for environments where reliability is more important than flashy design. Energy efficiency is another area where this monitor performs well. The LED backlight and compact screen size help keep power consumption low. For offices running multiple displays, this can result in meaningful savings over the long term while also supporting a more efficient workspace. This monitor is best suited for offices, schools, retail stores, POS systems, industrial control rooms, and any setup where dependable performance is essential. It also works well as a secondary display for users who prefer a traditional aspect ratio for document-based tasks. The focus here is on function, compatibility, and long-term value. If you're looking for a monitor that delivers consistent performance, works with a wide range of systems, and supports daily professional use without complications, this one fits the role perfectly. If you want to buy the L6017TM 17-inch LED monitor, then please visit the link provided in the description.